Hello everybody, I am in SLS and I am here to teach you how to do an audio recording. First, if I need to sing with music, it would be good if I can prepare headphones or earphones so that I can record only my voice as I listen to the music. I am going to record myself singing this part of the song. Stand up for Singapore, do it with a smile. Stand up for Singapore, you'll find it all worthwhile. So how do I record myself? I need to come to this part and press recording. Once I press this, the recording will start. So before that, I'm going to prepare the music and I'm going to play the music first, and then I press recording. It'll be good if you use earphones or headphones. Okay, recording now. For Singapore, do it with a smile. Stand up for Singapore, you'll find it all worthwhile. And when I'm done, I press stop. Now my recording has been uploaded and I can listen to it. Okay, so I can hear my recording. If I'm happy with it, I can click submit. If I'm not happy with it, I can actually go to this trash bin, delete it, and try and record once more. So I hope you have learned how to use the recording function today and enjoy submitting an audio recording of your singing.